Hello children, how are you all? Okay, today we are going to do science lesson number 9, good habits part 2. Good habits science lesson 9 part 2. We are continuing this again children. Last time you have done some good habits. In the last science class we have done around half of the chapter, and today we will do the other half. So let's start learning children. Now today we are starting with we must keep our teeth clean by brushing them at least twice daily. Twice daily because once in the morning children we brush them. As we are getting up we have to brush them. Our mouth is also stinking and the teeth and the teeth needs to be cleaned properly. But at night, why do we have to brush the teeth at night? Because when we are eating the food, little food particles are gathering in our teeth. Now if we don't brush them at night, then those small particles will start accumulating germs, and then our teeth starts decaying. You know the meaning of decaying? Yes? Yes. That means the tooth becomes bad, and then you have to go to the dentist because it starts paining. You have to get it removed. Okay? So, for avoiding all these things, children, you have to brush your teeth twice. Twice means 2 times in a day. Okay? Now, yes. What is this slide showing? It is showing that somebody is trying to eat something. Whenever you are eating something, children, you have to chew your food very nicely. It is said that when you are eating, at least one bite has to be chewed 32 times, so that half of the digestion is done in your mouth only. Then you will not have any problems with your stomach. You will always have a clean system. Your stomach will not pain, your food will be digested, and you will remain healthy. So children, you have to chew your food very nicely. Whenever you are eating fruit or vegetable, make sure that it is washed properly, and then only it is taken for using. Without washing, if you use the fruits and vegetables, they will carry germs and you will fall very ill. Okay? So always remember this good habit. Now let's see what is the next good habit, children. Eat from your own plate. You know children, while you are eating the food, I am not saying don't share. You can share, but when your friends are eating, you can share that part of the food. If you want to share it with your friend, you have to keep it aside. Then your friend can eat from that part of the food, but don't make anybody eat from your own plate. Nowadays children, there are a lot of infection issues and people are falling sick because of that, and we have to keep a safe distance. We can't eat from each other's plate. We have to eat from our own plate. We have to drink water from our own glass. We can't share. Okay, we are having water, then you also have from my glass. No, you have to drink water from your own glass. Okay? whenever you are coughing or sneezing, you have to cover your mouth and nose with a hanky. You know why? Because when you are coughing, you must have seen, children, that nowadays this coronavirus is there, then they are saying, okay, whenever you are sneezing, please cover your mouth and nose with a hanky, because all the germs are coming out, and those germs are very, very dangerous. They can make you and the other people fall sick. So when you are coughing or sneezing, you have to cover your own mouth and nose with a hanky. Okay. Do not bite your nails. You're biting the nails, that means you are eating also the nails. Yes, then you will have a very bad stomach pain, and there is a lot of dirt that is accumulating in the nails. It is going inside your stomach, and then you will run to the doctor because you will have a stomach pain. So you should never ever bite your nails. Okay, children? Do not lick your fingers after eating. It is a very bad manners. If somebody sees, then they will say, see, look at these children, how they are. They are so dirty. They are licking their fingers. You can't lick your fingers after you are done with your eating. You should immediately go and wash your fingers and your hands. Never lick your fingers, children. And one more thing is that you should never dig your nose. Some children have got very bad habit of putting their finger inside their nose and digging it. It is having a lot of dirt inside. Your nostrils are full of dirt and germs. If you are digging your nose, then it will carry a lot of germs and you will fall sick better. So you should never ever dig your nose. Means don't insert any finger inside your nose. Okay? Do not lick your finger. Do not bite your nails. Do not dig your nose. Okay? Now, after playing, children, we must keep our toys in their proper place. Children, we all like to play, and our parents are also giving us toys to play. But if every day you're taking out toys and you are spreading them in the house, you just think how much work your mama has to do then. The whole room will become untidy. If somebody comes, they will say, such a dirty house it is. So always remember, after you have finished playing, you have to put the toys in their proper place. After you have finished reading the books, you put the books in the correct place. Okay? Children, throw the rubbish in the dustbin. If you are having some waste paper, or if you are having some peel of banana that you have just eaten, you go and throw it in the dustbin. Don't throw it here and there. It makes the whole area dirty. You have to maintain cleanliness. So you have to throw the rubbish in the dustbin. Okay? Do not scribble on the walls, even if it is in the school or your house. Some children will say that it's okay, I can scribble in the classroom. No, school is your second home. You can't scribble on the walls, beta. It looks very, very dirty. You should never scribble on the walls. You should never throw rubbish in the dustbin. You should always throw that in the dustbin, and you should never scribble on the walls. Okay? Switch off the lights and fans when you leave the room, children. We should always make an attempt to save electricity. When we are coming out of a room, never forget to switch off the lights, fans or AC. If you're switched on the AC, you have to switch it off, because you have to save the electricity. It is very, very important. Okay. And what else? When you are taking your bath or using the toilet, you have to always remember to turn off the taps and showers, because as we are saving electricity, we also have to save water. Some cities are having so much of scarcity of water that they have to order the tanks from outside. So we should always try to save water, and we have to try to save electricity. Okay. So these good habits you have learned today. What are the good habits that you have learned? You have learned you have to take a regular bath, you have to brush your teeth twice daily, you have to shampoo your hair, you have to eat from your own plate, you have to wear clean clothes, you have to brush your teeth twice daily, you have to throw the rubbish in the dustbin. Children, I have also not mentioned 2-3 more points which I'll be saying now. When you are using the toilet, if you are going for toilet, then after using the toilet, you have to flush the toilet nicely. And then children, you have to wash your hands with soap and water. Okay? Please never ever come out of the toilet and forget washing your hands. Then it will carry bacteria and it is very, very dirty, children. It is a nasty habit. We have to always remember to wash our hands with soap and water after using the washroom or toilet. And always remember to flush the toilet after you use it. Okay? Now that you know what are the good habits, children, you have to follow them to keep healthy, to become strong, to be a healthy child. If you are healthy, you will study properly. Okay? You will be always happy. And if you are unhealthy, then you will fall sick. You see nowadays, right? How many people in the world are falling sick? Do we want to fall sick like them? No. So, one magical wand is good habit. Whatever good habits, children, we have learned, we are going to follow them. And if you see somebody who is not following good habit, then you should go and tell them that, see, please follow these good habits. You have to follow them for your better. You will be healthy. You will be happy. Okay, children? So stay healthy and stay happy. Today's homework is, children, again madam has given you a worksheet that is uploaded in the Google Classroom, and I am sure that you will enjoy doing it. If some parents are not able to take out the printout of the worksheet, parents, please don't worry. You can make your child do that answer of the worksheets in the rough notebook, and you can click the picture of those work that the child has done in the rough notebook and submit it in the Google Classroom. So if the worksheet printout is not coming, please don't panic and please don't worry. Okay, thank you. Thank you, children. See you in the next science class.